Okay, hey guys, what's up? I finally got my hands on the Honor 8X and I'm going to be doing a really quick video for you guys going over my first impressions of this device. Last year, the Honor 7X was the best seller on Amazon for unlocked phones. This year, Honor has released the Honor 8X, and it incorporates some of the best features that Honor has been working on this year, like the AI camera. The back-facing camera is 20 megapixels with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the selfie camera is 16 megapixels. You have some expansion options with the slot for a micro SD card and 2 SIM cards, all in one tray. The phone features a notched display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340p. Notice the super slim bezels here. This phone has a 91% screen to body ratio, which is absolutely insane to see on a budget phone. I wrote an article explaining the technology behind this, which you can find in the description. The phone is running EMUI 8.2, which is powered by the Kirin 710 chipset with 4GB of RAM. My particular model has 64GB of storage and a 3750 mAh battery. And you see that right there? Yep, that's a micro USB port on the bottom. They did that with the 7X and I thought that was odd, so I'm really surprised to see that showing up again on the next model. Benchmarks show that the Honor 8X has a massive improvement in 3D gaming over the 7X. I played a little bit of Asphalt 8 and everything ran nice and smooth. I'll get some PUBG gameplay going in my full review of this phone to really test out the graphics. And this phone also comes with GPU Turbo, which we've covered in the past, which means you're going to be able to run games a little bit better, get better frame rates on games that are optimized for the phone that uses GPU Turbo, so that's nice to see. After using this phone for a bit, the most impressive thing to me is the display. It just makes a great media experience, like when I'm watching YouTube or whatever. And this is kind of off topic, but I'm trying the new Good Morning feature that Google announced in their event yesterday, and it's really nice. You should try it out. The speaker quality is good. It's nice and loud. Here's a little sample. But I'll show you how this phone has the AI feature here that we've seen in the Kirin 970 phones, as well as a bunch of other features that we can talk about later. So overall, this phone is looking pretty nice. It launches tomorrow globally, and that's when they're going to be able to reveal the price. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.